Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HARO for digital PR backlinks in SEO step by step clearly. To activate HARO for digital PR backlinks in SEO, start by visiting the HARO website. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required details, including your name, email, and company information. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Once verified, log into your HARO account. Navigate to the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the interface. Begin by selecting the appropriate categories relevant to your niche. This helps you receive queries that align with your industry. You will receive 3 emails a day with various media queries. Set aside time to review these queries thoroughly. Identify those that match your expertise or business offerings. Create a compelling response to the relevant queries. Be sure to include your website link in your response. Keep your answers concise and focused on providing value. Once your response is ready, send it through the HARO platform. Monitor your email for any follow-ups from journalists. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested. Track the backlinks you receive from successful pitches. Record when and where your links go live. Regularly engage with new HARO queries to build ongoing relationships. Utilize these backlinks as part of your overall SEO strategy. Evaluate the success of your HARO efforts periodically. Adjust your approach based on the results you observe. Continue this process to enhance your digital PR and backlink profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.